Okay, so this is the front of the machine, of the bottle blower. The molds for cavity molds. Okay, so as I understand, if we go around the manual, if I understand correctly, this is the back plate you are talking about. As you can see, there is screws there on this side, and then there on that side as well, over there, and all of these are bolted to the plate at the back. See the top one and the bottom one, both bolted there and there. And then the same with the cylinder at the back. There it's bolted to the back plate, if this makes any sense.